again to Budget with Brian. I'm going to talk about a new tool that I might have mentioned before in one of my previous films, the KATSU 710 watt trimmer. And this is a powered version, unlike the Bosch edge trimmer that I've demonstrated on another film. This one is going to stay within my workshop, basically because it's powered, but I have a belief that when routers are cheap enough, you can keep them loaded with their own individual tools. This one has got an end bit, this one has got a trimmer bit, and I've set this one up with a rounding bit. So I'm going to show you the other features of the tool in a moment, but I'm going to get straight to the rounding. Now, when this sits on the top, it's got a good centre of gravity, and if this base were wider, I would probably put an extra support piece there. But that's not necessary for this tool because it's centre of gravity over the centre. So, let's switch it on. Switch it on. Here's a rounding off. It's probably been set too deep at the moment to the thickness of this particular piece of wood, but look at how easy it did that. And so let's go now through how we do set it up for a different depth of cut, etc. So how do we set the depth of cut? Couldn't be easier. It's got this clamp here which we release, and then we've got this ratchet up and down. When we're happy with where we want it to be, lock it off. Could that be easier? I don't think so. So that's how we set the depth. It also comes with this edge guide. And the way the edge guide fits in, and I'm going to turn off the power now. The way that the edge guide fits is like so. Now I have to say that I'm not altogether thinking this guide is massively useful, and I'll tell you for why when I've locked it off. So it's locked off here now, and its adjustment is here, but it only goes that far. It won't go up to the tool at all, and it'll only go back that far. I'm not too bothered about it going back that far, but that far I think is too short. It needs to get nearer to here. Yeah, so I'm not sure that this is massively useful, but for the purpose I use it for, like that rounding off there, absolutely brilliant. It also comes with this edging attachment, like so, and this is meant to be in place of that guide bush if you had a straight cutter there. The way I use these tools, with it just being set up for one particular purpose, I'm not sure that's all that useful to me. Yeah, for other people who want one tool to do everything, then that may be useful. This tool can be used with some adaptions which you can buy, bigger tables, and can make it look more like that. And the bit that you can buy as an optional extra is that bit which slides over the top of that and make it like a conventional router. I think it defeats the purpose, personally. I don't want a tool that will do all of that. I want the tool to do an individual job. That's why I bought this, under £30. As I say, I think I'll buy another one too. So that's the KATSU Edge Trimmer, 710 watts, powered. I think it's going to be a brilliant tool. I'm going to buy a second one. I can hardly recommend it, I think. It's marketed by AIM Tools, who I think are the UK distributor for that. It's a Makita lookalike. Can use Makita parts, I'm told. Not that I'm likely to, but buy it by all means. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and review and subscribe below.